Case study, leveraging Axure for streamlined UX design in a software development company. This case study explores the impact of using Axure, a popular prototyping and wireframing tool, in the UX design process of a software development company. We will focus on how Tech Solutions, a growing software development firm, integrated Axure into their design workflow to streamline the UX design process and improve collaboration between design and development teams. Background: challenges in the UX design process. Tech Solutions faced several challenges in their UX design process. Inefficient prototyping. The traditional manual prototyping process was time-consuming and didn't allow for quick iterations or gathering early feedback from stakeholders. Communication gaps. The lack of a centralized design platform caused communication gaps between the design and development teams, leading to misunderstandings and delays. Handoff issues. The handoff process from design to development was often cumbersome, resulting in design inconsistencies and implementation challenges. Solution: integrating Axure for streamlined UX design. To address these challenges, Tech Solutions decided to integrate Axure into their UX design workflow. Rapid prototyping. Axure's powerful prototyping capabilities allow designers to create interactive prototypes quickly. This enabled them to validate design concepts early on, gather feedback, and iterate rapidly to refine the user experience. Collaborative platform. Axure served as a centralized platform for the design and development teams to collaborate. Designers could share their prototypes with developers, enabling them to gain a better understanding of the intended interactions and behaviors. Design system implementation. Axure's design system features facilitated the creation and maintenance of a comprehensive design system. This ensured consistency across designs and eased the handoff process, as developers could access design specifications directly from Axure. Results: improved efficiency and collaboration. The integration of Axure brought significant improvements to Tech Solutions' UX design process. Accelerated prototyping. With Axure's rapid prototyping capabilities, designers could create interactive prototypes much faster, enabling quicker design validation and iterations. This saved time and improved the overall efficiency of the design process. Enhanced collaboration. Axure's collaborative features bridged the communication gaps between design and development teams. Developers could interact with the prototypes directly, leading to a better understanding of design intent and more effective implementation. Streamlined handoff. By using Axure's design system features, the handoff process became more streamlined and consistent. Developers had access to design specifications and assets, reducing design implementation challenges. Conclusion: Axure as a valuable UX design tool. The integration of Axure into Tech Solutions' UX design workflow proved to be a valuable decision. By leveraging Axure's rapid prototyping, collaborative platform, and design system capabilities, Tech Solutions streamlined their UX design process, improved collaboration between teams, and facilitated a smoother handoff to development. The case study demonstrates how Axure can be an essential tool in the UX design industry, helping software development companies deliver better user experiences, reduce development time, and achieve more efficient design implementation. Embracing Axure's capabilities can empower design teams to create user-centric products and drive success in the competitive software development landscape.